Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Adil and today's video is the final behind the sound episode on the Generation 2 Audi R8 that we've got behind me. It's been a lovely project. We've enjoyed working on the car and it sounds incredible like always. If you are new to our channel and haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember guys, the link for it is in the description below. We have got a massive subscriber 10K competition live on our channel, which make sure you go check that out because there's some awesome prizes up for grabs. But today's video is all about this absolutely gorgeous car that we've got behind me. There has been a whole load of episodes live on our channel already, so if you haven't seen it already, go check all of them out. All of those links will be below. Plus, we've actually got a video comparing what came in as stock in part of a sound off competition between the stock Audi R8 system over and beyond what we've actually put into the car, which is really interesting and well worth a watch. However, today's video is a brief overview over the whole system. We've done obviously part of those series showcasing exactly what went on from the beginning when the car came in as a brief overview all the way through the fabrication, through the 3D printing, through the speaker adapters we're building to get the system into where it is, plus the tuning of the actual sound system too. In terms of the configuration that we've got on this system, we've got a three-way, what's called fully active front end. So each channel on an amplifier is running directly to individual components. Up top, all in a complete stock location, we've actually removed the factory Audi R8 tweeters and gone in exactly the same location with the Hertz Melee Legend range, which gives a massive difference, that clarity on top of that dashboard. And with the time alignment, with the processing power that we're using, part of the DSP system, you get a massive difference in that soundstage plus control over the system as well, all digitally. Then inside the door, what we've done is a couple of things. So we've built two speaker adapters. First one to house the Hertz Melee Legend 3-inch driver, which sits around about here. Then lower down in the door, you've got the 6.5-inch driver, which has replaced the 8-inch driver from stock. However, you've got so much more mid-bass in this vehicle. What we've also done as part of the system, and you would have seen it in the previous behind the sound episodes, is fully soundproofing the vehicle. So we've soundproofed the roof, the floor, the back shelf, also inside the doors. So this is building a far better acoustic environment for the new sound system to work in. These sheets that we're using is something called skins. It's a 3mm layer that gets applied to all these key areas in the door to reduce rattles and resonations, build a better acoustic environment for the new sound system to work in, but also obviously reducing that road noise as well while in the vehicle. So big difference in terms of adding in the soundproofing into the doors. The doors now feel really nice and solid as well. The other thing that we've also done inside the vehicle is actually add an amplifier to the system. So running fully active, we're using an Audison Forza 8.9 amplifier. So it's an 8-channel amplifier with 9 channels of processing power. So if the customer wants to later on or in another car add in a sub, we can actually put that into the 8.9 and use the processing power that the 8.9 has to process the sub, which makes a big difference as well. This system is fully removable, guys, so we can remove this system at any time, move it to another car. Plus, obviously, what this system is no damage done at all to the vehicle itself. Even the cable runs to the battery in the front is gone through a factory position, which goes all the way through. No holes, nothing made to alter or modify the car at all. In terms of the speaker signal, what we're doing, outputting from the factory head unit, which actually sits on this occasion behind the seat, what that's actually doing is outputting a load of dirty signal, which we didn't want to amplify. So what we actually do is use the processing power and use the tuning stage of the system, which obviously if you watch the tuning side of behind the sound, you'll see a little bit more detail about it. But we take that dirty signal into the processor, correct all the corrupt files that are basically being sent and all the bad signal that's being sent out of your factory radio into a processor. Processor then outputs that directly to individual components, and that is where the real difference comes from. Not only are we gaining a far vast difference in volume inside the vehicle, but also we're actually getting a far nicer sounding system as well. This is way beyond even the Bang & Olufsen system. Even though we're still using a 3-way front end, we've not added rear speakers on this occasion, we've not added designated sub, but still it sounds so good. The the clarity, that front soundstage, which is exactly what this customer wanted, completely hidden solution. The amp's completely hidden, the speakers are all completely hidden, nothing is on display. However, everything sounds incredible. Plus, obviously, we're really happy with the tuning stage that we've done, getting the car to 100%. So we've now got to hand over to the customer, and he's got many more years of actually living with the car and enjoying the sound in the vehicle. Plus, when he does want to sell the car, we can remove it all and he can enjoy sound in any car for many more years to come. So hopefully you've enjoyed the whole series on behind the sound on this absolutely stunning Audi R8. But if you haven't checked out the previous videos, make sure you do. And also remember, guys, that competition is live on our channel as well. Link for that is in the description below. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.